Chapter 12. Time Management.
Deep is unable to keep a balance between his work and his studies. He is very stressed and he cannot concentrate on his personality grooming class due to heavy workload. He seeks help from Swami Vivekanand, goes to him, and a visibly upset Deep sits down at a rock nearby Swamiji's mutt. What happened, Deep? Why are you sitting here alone? You go to some classes around this time, no?
Yes, but I am very disturbed. I cannot concentrate on anything and I need your help on this. Please guide me through.
Sure, I'll be glad to do so. But first go, attend your class and then come back.
Please Swamiji, help me out. I won't go unless you give me some mantra so that I can make progress.
An upset and dejected Deep refuses at first, but having no choice left, goes back to attend his class. He comes back after his class. So how was your class, Deep? What did you learn today?
Something about how to manage time. This is what my problem is, and this is what I have been taught at class.
To be able to handle time available to you effectively, you should go one by one. Complete the work at hand first and then think of time ahead. That's why I sent you back to your class. I wanted you to understand how important it is to do a scheduled work on time. Swami Vivekananda preaches what he believes in to his disciples. He gets an invitation to speak on religion from the American Religious Society and many other countries and decides to take along his disciples so that they do not miss on any important subject he speaks on and to complete their training on time.
Why do you want to take around your disciples? You can teach them when you return.
Indeed I can, but I want to utilize my time and theirs too properly, and do not want to become an obstacle in completion of their set goals once they are through their training. If they come along with me, I will be teaching them in my free time and they can follow the discourses at other times. Time is precious factor. Even an hour of teachings would be great. Maybe during early mornings or during flights.
But how will you prepare for the guest lectures?
That's easy. The more I'm able to clear my students' doubts, the more confident I become to answer the assembly's questions. Time never stops for anyone, so we have to utilize it to the maximum. Even if I devote little time once a day or even once a week, it will take my disciples closer to their goal.
But how do I do it? I go to work, I study so that I can earn a good living in future, and on my return, I help in household work sometimes. And this way, neither I am able to do my work properly nor studies. I don't get proper rest even.
Setting your priorities right. Track your daily activities and locating your time wastage areas will set you in the right direction. Make a list of things you want to do in a week. At the end of a day, find out how much of your listed things have you completed, and at the end of a week, evaluate yourself.
I don't even go to play like my other friends. Still nothing works out the way I want.
Don't skip out on sporting activities. Just allot it a proper time. Like 1 hour a day will be good enough. On an early morning, Swami Vivekananda is taking a walk in a garden in the company of one of his popular disciples. Sister Nivedita seeks true knowledge and Swamiji is giving a discourse while walking.
I thought you preached during selective time.
No. I teach when the student is ready to accept the offerings and a time span cannot be ascertained for it. I would suggest you do what you want to do now and here. Don't wait for right time to come. There is nothing called right time. Whenever you do a certain work, it is the right time. You cannot rewind time. So plan your routine in advance. Be organized and allocate time as per the work. Who cooks food for you at home, Deep?
My mother.
We cannot do all that we wish to ourselves. So it is always good to delegate work that are low in your priority list to people who can handle it. Plan your work at hand properly and act as per the plan and everything will fall in place.